The sweet aroma of dates and brown sugar wafted through the halls of the old Victorian mansion. Oliver had spent all morning stirring slices of pitted dates in a sticky toffee sauce to prepare for the annual neighborhood potluck. Her famous stick toffee pudding had become a tradition everyone looked forward to each year. Stick toffee pudding has been a beloved British dessert for over 100 years. Dating back to the Edwardian era, the indulgent treat was first mentioned in print in the 1920s. Though its exact origins are unknown, it was likely inspired by a traditional sponge cake soaked in a sweet sauce that was popular at the time. The importance of this whisker dessert comes from its ability to spark nostalgia and bring people together. Families pass down secret recipes for generations, and friends bond over its decadent combination of dates, sauce, and custard. Celebrated annually on January 23rd, International Sticky Toffee Pudding Day allows people across the world to share in this delightful delicacy. When Oliver's neighbors arrived for the potluck, the sweet scent of sticky toffee pudding immediately drew them into the kitchen. Everyone eagerly dished up spoonfuls of the pudding, dredging it generously with extra toffee sauce and clotted cream. With each bite, memories of childhood and laughter with loved ones came flooding back. Sticky toffee pudding is meant for lingering and savoring with good company. As pudding and stories were shared, a warmth of community filled the old mansion. Differences faded away, and a common joy in life's simple pleasures bound everyone together. Though sticky toffee pudding studied as an indulgent for special occasions, its ability to create moments of collection is reason enough to enjoy more often. People celebrate International Sticky Toffee Pudding Day around the world, with get-togethers centered around this decadent dessert. Whether in pubs, cafes, or their own homes, others share cherished family recipes on blogs or cook their favorite versions to enjoy along, transporting them back to happy memories with each bite. A perfect sweet ending to any meal or day, sticky toffee pudding reminds us life's richest moments are meant to be savored. Though brief, the laughter and joy shared over pudding with friends leaves an impression that lasts far beyond the final crumb. International Sticky Toffee Pudding Day celebrates this bliss and the human connection inspired by simple culinary delights. January 23rd is International Sticky Toffee Pudding Day. Here is our painting with oil pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful International Sticky Toffee Pudding Day. Cheers!